got that ability, like you said, to master something really quickly. Like I'm a really quick learner. I can master all the basics, but then when you hit that point where you need to stick it out to actually master it, that's when I go, no, I'm going to go and try something new. There were 3 staff, but even that, I winged it. I didn't do proper interviews. Literally, I'm like, come in, I'll see if I like your vibe. Okay, I like you. Come in tomorrow, I'll show you what to do. But yeah, like even with staff, it was wild. In hindsight, because I've reflected on it, I might make it sound like it's not a good thing, but it was amazing being able to do all those things. Even when I was struggling, I was really enjoying it. It's only because I couldn't cope with all of them at once that I had to let them go. And I guess my ability to just let things go then allowed me to pivot so many times so that I could still have a business now. But for me, in terms of my purpose, that's what I'm trying to figure out.